The definitive test of narcissism reveals itself not through their behavior towards strangers or casual acquaintances, but through their response when someone they supposedly care about achieves success, receives recognition, or experiences genuine joy. This single pattern exposes the narcissist's fundamental inability to celebrate others' victories without immediately making it about themselves, diminishing the achievement, or punishing the person for daring to shine independently. When someone consistently transforms others' positive moments into opportunities for their own validation or uses them as occasions to reassert dominance, they reveal the core narcissistic trait that no amount of charm or occasional kindness can disguise: the immediate redirection of attention. The narcissist cannot allow others' achievements to remain the focus of conversation or celebration. When someone shares good news, a promotion, personal accomplishment, or moment of happiness, the narcissist responds with a brief acknowledgement before immediately redirecting attention to their own superior achievements, related experiences, or advice about what the person should do next. This conversational hijacking happens so smoothly that victims often don't recognize it as dismissal until they notice the pattern repeating across every significant moment in their life. This redirection serves multiple purposes simultaneously. It prevents others from receiving the sustained attention and celebration they deserve, maintains the narcissist's position at the center of all interactions, and subtly communicates that others' achievements are less impressive than the narcissist's own experiences. The person sharing good news finds themselves somehow comforting the narcissist, hearing the narcissist's stories, or receiving unsolicited guidance rather than experiencing genuine celebration of their success. The subtle minimization through comparison. When forced to acknowledge others' achievements, the narcissist employs strategic comparisons that diminish the accomplishment while maintaining plausible deniability about their intentions. They remind the person that others have achieved more, point out limitations or imperfections in the success, or reference their own past achievements in the same area that supposedly surpass what their victim accomplished. This minimization operates through seemingly innocent observations that carry the unmistakable message that the achievement isn't particularly impressive by the narcissist's standards. This pattern extends to every area where others might experience validation or recognition. A weight loss achievement gets compared to someone who lost more. A creative project receives comments about its flaws before any genuine praise. A promotion prompts reminders about higher positions the narcissist holds or could have obtained. The narcissist ensures that no one in their orbit experiences unqualified success or uncontested celebration because others' victories threaten their psychological need to maintain superiority. The punishment for independent joy. The most revealing narcissistic behavior emerges in how they treat people after moments of success or happiness that didn't involve them. They withdraw affection, create conflict, or manufacture crises that force their victim to shift focus from their achievement back to managing the narcissist's emotional state. This punishment operates as correction for the perceived transgression of experiencing joy independently, teaching their victim that positive experiences come with costs that make them hardly worth pursuing. This punishment can be overt, picking fights immediately after celebrations, becoming cold and distant, or making cutting remarks designed to deflate the person's happiness. More often, it operates subtly through manufactured emergencies that require immediate attention, sudden expressions of hurt feelings about unrelated matters, or passive-aggressive behaviors that create tension without clear cause. The narcissist ensures that any positive experience becomes tainted with negative consequences, training their victim to associate personal success with relational strife. The person who consistently cannot celebrate others' victories without centering themselves, diminishing the achievement, or punishing independent joy reveals the core narcissistic wound, the intolerable threat that others might possess value, capability, or worth that doesn't derive from or revolve around the narcissist's existence. This pattern, once recognized, cannot be unseen and serves as the clearest indicator that someone is psychologically incapable of the genuine, mutual celebration that characterizes healthy relationships. If they do this consistently across time and situations, transforming every moment of others' joy into an opportunity to reassert their own centrality or superiority, they've revealed themselves as a narcissist beyond any reasonable doubt.